Interim FP&A. Hi, I'm Hamilton ALOGAGA, an ACCA-qualified accountant specialized in delivering streamlined financial planning and analysis that is predicated upon the design and development of purpose-built, driver-based, fully integrated financial model that incorporates the exact same business drivers of the companies in question. For the two most advertised head, director, or VP of FP&A roles, whereby you as the recruiter or the CFO of the company, be this supporting a less than £5 million or greater than 100 million plus turnover, tech, data, software, telco, professional services, AI delivered as a SaaS business or transaction-based business model, are seeking a professional to head, lead, or direct your VC-backed startup or your PE-backed buy and build integration or maybe a PLC. These roles are always designed to lead group-wide planning, commercial insight, or performance reporting. They are key strategic positions that are either reporting directly into or supporting the CFO alongside the CEO, the board, and the leadership team to drive value creation, operational visibility, and financial performance control. Such responsibilities, therefore, typically include but are never limited to leading the annual budget, rolling forecast, and long-range planning, ensuring therefore there's an alignment with strategic objectives. And then you'll be acting as a trusted partner to the commercial and operational leaders, providing clear data-driven insight and challenge. You'll be owning group-led reporting and board pack presentation and preparation, driving consistent visibility and control, enhancing FP&A and commercial finance process, embedding plan tools, best practices, and standardized reporting. You'll be supporting key initiatives that will be including things like pricing strategy, product and customer profitability, and investment appraisals. You'll further be leading and developing the entire FP&A team, promoting continuous development and involvement with business partnership. And along with all this, you'll be operating confidently at executive level to support decision making across the entire business. Typically, therefore, the requirements often necessitate that you be a CCAB, that's ACCA, qualified or its equivalent, extensive FP&A experience in VC, PE-backed PLCs, proven FP&A leadership, professional services, or subscription-based things like that. SaaS experience will be essential, strong grasp of SaaS metrics or commercial acumen, and exceptional modeling, financial modeling, and forecasting skills. And the ability to build and lead high-performing teams with resilience and to communicate with credibility at senior leadership level. Now, many companies in similar positions have always defaulted to the legacy hiring path. Post the job, run CVs through ATS, make phone screening rounds, shortlist a few, pass profiles to the client, interview, and you know what? Hope for the best. When this works, it's perfect. However, we both know that's not always the case. Tools, abilities, experience, budget, and expectations, they rarely align in real life. What companies are now therefore realizing is that instead of hiring this particular way, they can achieve a stronger, faster, more measurable result by adopting FP&A as a service. It is a model that mirrors the exact same structure as an interim or a fixed-term contract, but guarantees delivery of the entire FP&A function immediately and without dependency on a single hire. This model is built by a professional who has traveled the entire accountant's route from management accountant through to financial modeling specialist to senior finance business partner and into leadership roles as senior manager, controller, head, director, VP of FP&A across various sectors that include software, SaaS technology, professional services, telco, and data-driven B2B environments. Here's how that particular model looks like in practice. You end up with a fully integrated FP&A suite of driver-based bottom-up model that connects revenue, cost, headcount, cash, and capex, producing balanced P&L balance sheet and cash flow outputs. You end up with a budgeting and forecasting end-to-end delivery of the annual budget cycle and quarterly reforecast built on transparent assumptions, KPIs, and scenario planning. Decision support that will come as package. Commercial modeling for new products, pricing, marketing investments, and manufacturing strategy and integration savings. Your board and senior leadership team reporting. Tailored management packs and Power BI dashboards translating data into clear actionable insights from headline KPIs and departmental drivers, enabling data-led decision making. And what's key is that this is ready and good to go. So for that urgent interim requirement, it allows the CFO and recruiters to plug in a fully functional FP&A capability immediately, providing continuity and structure and visibility from the very first week. And to top it all, it's scalable and cost efficient because instead of recruiting and managing a permanent team of say 3 and more, you embed a modular service that scales with your needs. This means best practices without the delay, uncertainty, or overhead of building an in-house function. And then to further eliminate the uncertainties that come with the hire and prep process, I have prepared a full demonstrative walkthrough showcasing my complete fully integrated FP&A model in action for you to see. The demonstration provides a transparent view of what the model encompasses and how it adapts seamlessly to your company's trial balance, chart of accounts, and operational structure. A follow-up demonstration is further showcasing how the services delivers not just what you outlined in your job description, but in a faster, leaner, and more robust way. In effect, what you get is a full breadth of FP&A function and some. To wrap this up, I am Hamilton ALOGAGA, an ACCA-qualified accountant with decades of expertise in financial performance management reporting, providing FP&A, but as a service. My career began as a management accountant where I honed advanced financial modeling skills and then gained deep commercial exposure. Over the years, I have then combined insider business knowledge with strategic FP&A leadership, enabling me to therefore deliver driver-based real business solutions that work across all operational levels. This particular hands-on approach integrates therefore all the layers of expertise, be it as the financial modeler, management accountant, the senior business partner, head director or VP of FP&A into what's a single streamlined service, making it available on a daily rate, fixed-term contract or retainer basis, ensuring therefore that tailored approach that aligns precisely with your organization's current needs. For now, thanks for watching, and until the very next time, happy financial planning and analyzing your companies. Thank you very much.